Yeah, Scott, good evening. Trump's legal troubles are far from over. Legal experts say it's unlikely any of his other cases will go to trial before the November election. So let's break down all the other cases that he's facing tonight. First thing, we're talking about the Georgia election interference case, where Trump and 18 others face numerous charges for participating in a scheme to illegally try to overthrow the election. One of the charges carries a penalty of 5 to 20 years in prison. Back in March, Trump appealed a judge's ruling that let embattled Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis remain on this case. No trial date has been set here. Next up, we're talking about the federal election interference case here in D.C. Trump faces 4 charges, with the most serious count carrying 20 years behind bars. The Supreme Court heard arguments last month on Trump's claim that he's immune from prosecution. We're waiting on that decision. No trial date has been set here. Third, we're going to go over to Florida. This is the classified documents case, where Trump faces 40 felony counts for keeping classified documents at his home. That case, though, has been postponed indefinitely. And we can't forget, over in New York, Trump is also appealing a $454 million penalty from a civil fraud lawsuit in New York back in February. We'll keep you posted on that. And elaborating more on what Autry just said, it's important to note that even as a convicted felon, Trump can still run for president. And although he is a Florida resident, he can still vote as long as he's not in a New York prison on Election Day. Scott?